Good morning, guys. How are you? Hope your day everything is good. Now I teach you how to sharpen knife without a lot of sharpening stone, like say 800 grit, 1000 grit, 2000 grit, 3000 grit, whatever. I give you only two. This is China, but still good. You can use in the kitchen. It's not expensive. I only buy this one here in Morocco. It's around 75 dirham. So $7.5 is stone is like aluminum. Like aluminum stone they call this one. So it's still good. This is for me, this one is 1000 grit and this is like 900 grit. This 900 grit or 800 grit you can use for if your knife is not sharp, you know, this blade here is like round, you know, not sharp anymore, so you can use here to make the how can I say the grind here. Understand? And if your knife always so sharp, you only use this one, this part 1000 grit is fine. So this knife costs around $50, $45. It's not, this is made from Portugal. Yeah, the same. And this is my knife, Miyabi knife. Before this is 11 inches, now it's already, I think it's already 7 inches. Yeah, around 7 inches. Yeah. Very good for sashimi because it's a flexible knife. Very nice. I love this knife. And also this another one is French knife. It's stainless but it's really good to use. It's like Gyuto, no? Long time this knife is for me. This company knife. And this is my personal, and I have a lot of knife in my room. There's Yanagiba 12 inches and Deba knife with my name also. This only I use. So now we are here now. What I teach you now the lesson, because a lot of chef in YouTube they not explain properly, that just they sharp whatever. But other chef they explain properly. But this one I teach you, you know, this stone only. It's enough. No need to buy expensive one. And it's still good, huh? Still good. But this knife is single blade. I always prefer single blade, not double blade, especially we are in the sushi or no, whatever you use, because it's clean cut. You understand? If the single blade or knife. So before when I buy this one, it's double blade. But I do single blade. I sharp flat here and then 45 degree here. Same Miyabi. Before this is single knife, double blade. Then I make single blade. You see the there and there is flat here. Now we start with now this one is not. The blade here is round, so I start in the round. So what you're doing, call me, kitchen helper or who's somebody don't know how to sharpen a knife. First, you always start in the point of your knife here. You understand? And then you have two fingers or whatever, wherever you're comfortable, one finger, two finger, or all your finger, no problem. Always 45 degree. 45 degree, yeah. 45 degree. How many you push there? Same here in the back. You understand? To remove the dirt here. I will show you now. Now I start. You understand? I wet already my stone around 5 minutes. Then you have no A lot of chef, they use the water, just running water like this. Don't do this one is mistake. First, we need to save the water. You understand? Food costs, and we need to love the God gave us. So save the water. A lot of people, they don't have water, especially in Africa. So we need to respect. So take a bowl, or if you have spray, better spray it. I have this one. And then if you're starting here, don't wash a lot. Just it's like a raining, just pinch of water, and then don't wash also this one. Just a pinch of water. Understand? And start. If you in the point of your knife, if you take 5, same every part of your knife. Example, 5 here, you push there 5, push there 5. So this is, I take time. So I think I put 20 from, so I get the dirt here. Now I start now. So I count, I forget. If you push there, have pressure, 45 degree pressure there. Look my 2 finger. It depends how you comfortable. And always put your finger here, not on the top of the knife, here in the blade. Because you sharp this one, not this one. Understand? So there. And balance your knife. So you see, my knife is still good. My this is long time already, but still good. But I need to only to balance again here. But still good. Because I maintain. I start. Push there with the pressure. If you bring it down, release the pressure. You understand? Now, again. 1, pressure without pressure. Pressure without pressure. Pressure without pressure. And if you sharp your knife, not only in the middle. A lot of chefs, they use only in the middle. No. From here, in the middle, you need to go around there. And then you rotate. So the idea, your sharpening stone is balanced. That's it. Then now, I start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I transfer again here. I already finished there. I transfer here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, in the back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, here. The last part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Until you get the beard here. Still I not get, so I repeat again. I start again on the top. So put a little bit water. Make sure your stone is not running. It's dangerous for you. Sometimes I put this here. You know, I put this. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pressure, release pressure, pressure, release pressure, pressure, release pressure, pressure, release pressure, pressure, release pressure. Understand? Same everybody. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still I not feel the blood, so I start again there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because I want to same count, so your knife is balanced. You know, the shape of your knife must be balanced. Not in the middle is not balanced. It's like smiling in the middle. You don't need this one. A lot of chefs, they do this one. Only sharp in the middle of the stone. And here, they forget to the pressure. They not balance. Just they sharp. So a lot of chef, they mistake their knife. So I teach you the proper way. So your knife is not smiling in the middle, because if your knife is smiling in the middle, is not good, you know. You can cut because already smile in the middle. It's difficult to to sharp again, you know, to make it balance again. So if you see it's not balanced already in the middle or somewhere here, you need to go here in the back to make it balance again. So I teach you how properly. Understand? This video is, I make this for all don't know how to sharp the knife in the proper way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I filled up beard now, so I go in the back now. Same count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is flat, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here in the back is opposite to sharp. If this side is pressure and release pressure, in another side on flat, pressure going down, release pressure going up, same count. And then you rotate your sharpening stone, and then repeat the process again. Remember always how much you sharp in the side of this one, same you sharp here. This knife is long time not sharp, so I sharp nicely. If you everyday sharp, 5 minutes every day, you don't need this one. You're just doing like finishing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then put a water. Just check. Because the blade is going back again there. You need to remove that one before you finishing. So one more set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just follow the basic, because I know my stroke in the knife. So if you see, sometimes I not follow the count because I know my stroke already. You know, I'm comfortable. How many? Now see, it's still already good, but still not sharp this one. Huh? Now we go in the back again. We go in the here, this side. This side, we don't need same count. Just count only a little bit now, because almost finishing. Just to remove. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. In the back also. Same. Pressure, no pressure. Same in the back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Put water a little bit. And check your knife if there's a blurred, a little bit blurred. So again, stroke again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. A little bit water in the back again. Pressure in the down. Release the pressure on up. Always remember, always balance, always balance your finger to pressure everywhere. Because if you not balance, here, sharp, there, no. Sharp, no. You understand what I mean? If you balance this, to put hold and pressure, balance, everything there is balance. And your knife also is balance. This is the idea. So I teach you the proper way. Now, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We need to remove only the blurred after we go to the finishing. If the blurred is finished, we go to the finishing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Always remember, practice always means perfect. Nobody born you are perfect. No perfect. Everybody learn in the difficult way, not easy way. No gain, no pain. These are the things. Especially in the kitchen, working in the kitchen is difficult. If your skin like onion, you cannot work in the kitchen. Kitchen is politics. Mafia. You know this one. I'm not joking. Me, I'm straight. I'm not a liar. I don't like mafia. I don't like anything to destroy another chef. A lot of chefs like this. Executive chef, chef de cuisine, sous chef, chef de partie, even they destroy. Gossip. I hate this one. You work with me, straightforward, that's it. No drama. You see? Now I count only 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. And this one. Believe or not, in the kitchen, in our industry, the more you too much, how can I say, lie, make drama, the more you stay in the hotel. It's like managers, in the service, chef de rang, whatever, supervisor. This is the protect of the general manager or the director. The kitchen is always mistake. Always remember this is correct. Kitchen never win. Service is always liar. I'm telling the truth. In restaurant, the chef is the boss there. Not boss, the good leader. In the hotel, 100% forget. You have a lot of boss. Everybody is boss. I'm telling the truth. I'm not poisoning the hotel. The hotel industry already poisoned inside because of the management. They see already the mistake. They have already experienced before. Still they doing and they doing and they doing. So I hate this. So me, I not stay if the hotel is toxic. I don't care salary. I'm happy with my salary. If the hotel is not good management, goodbye. I don't need it. It's not about ego. This is about your dignity as a chef. Don't be toxic people seem like them. I hate this. Next time I teach you how to make all the basic. First, everything in the kitchen is basic. Master the basic, and then you will see you become a good chef. Basic everything: knife skill, sharpening stone, cleaning, date and level for the kitchen. How can I say? Show the technique of the chef. Yeah, you learn in the chef good and the bad. In the bad, you can learn how you become good chef. In the good chef, you become motivation, you know. Me, I always motivate my chef. I always let them grow. I'm not stop them to grow. If they want to go, go. If they can grow their career, I'm happy. If I see them, they grow, I'm happy. I'm very happy. You know, I'm not making them down. I am proud to be ahead of me like this if I see them grow, especially under my training, under my observation, you know, under my supervision. I'm happy to say this. I'm happy to do this one. Especially here in Morocco, I'm happy Moroccan learning to me a lot. That's it. Ego, stop your ego. Don't tell, I know after Mafi Malu. Remove this one. It's not helping to you. Put in your pocket, fry it, and finish. If the chef teach you, listen carefully, follow. He's the chef. Respect. Even he's good or no. Respect them. This shows chef. If you don't like to work with them, get out of the chef. That's it. No drama. Yes, I give you some advice. I'm finishing now. Same 1-1. See? And this I'm finishing, do one stroke only. Pressure and pressure in the back. The video is a lot of time because I want to explain everything. I'm 21 years in kitchen. I start stewarding. So, they cannot play with me in the kitchen. Especially in the service. And in the service, I told you, they are big theft there. From F&B director, managers, supervisor, from down. They are theft. Even the bar. Tell me yes or no. Not 100%, at least 90% of them. So, before you go to the kitchen, make sure see your first self. Don't always blame the kitchen. Because in the hotel, they always blame the kitchen, my gosh. And the general manager, and the F&B director, and the Asia, they do it to them. So, I hate this stupid politics. Not working with this one today. So in my career, I always get out. I not stay 2, 3 years, 4 years in one company. I stay 1 year, 2 years enough. If I see company management not good, I go. And if I see I'm not learning, I go. Don't stay in company if you're not learning after only for money. Forget. If you want to become a good chef, always find a good chef to motivate you, to train you, to become his apprentice, you know. Become apprentice, a good chef is very good. You learn a lot. Just remove your ego. You see? Almost sharp now. No, I told you again, no need expensive knife. Expensive, no need expensive knife and no need expensive sharpening stone. This is enough. But if for you, if you have money, of course, as a chef, buy expensive knife. Me, I love knife. My knife is expensive always. I have $1,000 Yanagi na enough, and my Deba is around $200. This, when I buy this one, it's around, how much this one? Like 800 or $700. I forget, long time. I buy in Dubai, in Burj Arab. And this one is only $100. But it's good, very, very nice. Helping to me a lot. I think this one is good. It will also, for the Komi, $50 is not heavy for you. For the beginning, you know. At least you have own knife. At least bring your own knife. Because the knife is make history. History, you know. My knife, a lot of history. So a lot of hotels and country I brought I bring this knife. You know, it's like my wife. Always take care of your knife. Always wash after. Always clean. Always your knife. You see? Stroke. This one is no need pressure a lot. This one. This is finishing the eyes. One stroke like this is a finishing. No need a lot of pressure. Just a little bit. Also in down. Start from in down. Start to the point. Same. No, only one. From same. Stroke. No need too much pressure because you're finishing now. Same. That. Pressure up, pressure up, pressure up, pressure down, pressure down, pressure down, pressure down, pressure down. Then a little bit water, pressure up, pressure up, pressure up, pressure down. Pressure down, pressure down, pressure down, pressure down, pressure up, pressure up, pressure down, pressure down. These past days, I will teach you how to make a dressing salad, nice salad dressing, marinate blackwood. They told Nobu style. No, this is this is Japanese style, not Nobu style. Not only Nobu. Nobu is Japanese, but it's everybody Japanese since still not Nobu already. There's a miso blackwood. They do it. I teach you the better way with the touch of Asian. Now it's too good sharp. Now I sabon my knife. Then I will show you to cut. How can cut the paper? I don't have. How can I say? Now I take the paper. I just wipe the knife. This is not my knife, this is company knife. So, take the paper. Then I show you how to cut. You see. It means, you see, it means there's something blurred here or broken things there. See? There. Because my stuff, I don't know, they chop. But this one is easy. But already sharp this. Okay. Already sharp. But the things, something I didn't see there. Yeah, there. Not today, tomorrow again. But already sharp the knife because it's broken a little bit because they chop. I don't know where they chop this one. I told them don't use for chopping. There's something broken there, small, like, yeah, I think a lot, but it's small. So when you cut the paper, it's going like this, but already sharp. If you cut the fish, it's fine. This. Always take care, guys. Okay. Good for sashimi for fish. Okay. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy your video. Sorry if a lot of time. Next time I will make small time. I will teach you everything what kind I learned in my past experience in the proper way. And explanation good. I hope you like the explanation. If you have question ask me, just subscribe or comment, ask me something, then I will answer it. Thank you guys, have a nice day.